dealing with this shit since last night.
Did you try give it a little spray just to see if that'll help?
What spray?
Ether
On what?
into your intake? Or you've been here since last night, or
No, not here.
somewhere else this happened? Then it would just start?
Yeah, it did this last night, and then I hit the kill switch for about 30 minutes. I think it's something. I think the truck needs to update. That's what it is.
Oh. Sounds like it wants to. I can hear something's running.
Yeah.
Is that the pump?
Yeah. I drained the tanks just about 10 minutes ago.
For what?
Cause I was just trying to see what was the problem from last night.
Oh.
I went to petrol earlier. They couldn't tell me really what it was. All he said was that the truck just needs an update sometime or whatever. And when that happens sometime, I don't know. It sounds weird because it's automatic. So I don't know what to tell.
I don't see that you're getting fuel to get it started. I don't hear.
I'm full though.
I know, but you're not, like, the pump is not getting it. Like, so it's like you have maybe some air in your
tank.
No, in your lines to the fuel pump.
How would I get it out though?
The air, well, it has to come through. So you have the little pumpy thing on there.
Yeah, and there's another problem. My hood is jammed. So I
can't open it?
I can't even open the jam.
When did you try last?
Last night.
And it won't open? You need help?
I can show you.
Let's see if this does the trick. All right, where's your intake?
I believe it's on the other side.
Right there.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can spray it just a tiny bit. You can't overdo it. And then you try starting it.
Okay.
Yeah, keep going. It sounded like it wanted to start. Maybe. I got the magic trick.
you sprayed that in the intake?
The trick is lightly. You need 2 people for this. Okay. Because you can have the RPMs go over to the red and blow up your engine. You ever see a motor run away? Well, if you're not catching what's happening, like, it won't take 2 seconds to blow up your engine. You have to go get a pillow or something to put it over this.
Pillow?
Something that'll cover it. That big, okay? So then, when it shuts that off from breathing, it'll shut down. But if you don't, all the air keeps going, boom, boom!
So, the problem is the intake?
No. There's something wrong with the engine starting. It doesn't have a good grind. That means you're not getting enough fuel to your truck, to your engine.
So it's not going to shut off while I'm driving. It's just...
No, yeah, you got fuel now. So if you're running, you're working.
Okay.
If you shut down, you're going to have this again. What are you going to do? Keep it running.
Keep it running, okay.
Keep it running. Don't
see, it's automatic now. It's an automatic shut off. I mean, come
on.
So,
like 15 minutes or so?
Like, okay, it's temperature control, right? So basically, when the cab gets a certain temperature, depending on outside, like, it's a little device in my truck that when I grab it.
you don't have bubbles, that's good. That thing is not all the way up, that's good.
Right.
But why are you losing your prime? That's the question.
Yeah.
They have to figure that out. So whoever works on it, you say it's losing prime.
Okay, losing prime.
Truck is losing prime.
Okay. Okay. Losing prime.
Yeah, because prime means that initial jolt of diesel, that it should be already there. It's like electricity. As soon as you plug in your cell phone, well, it's Volvo. That's what they do.
Okay. Okay.
It's straining, and then relaxes. It's something that it does.
Right.
So, initial, like I was trying to tell you, like your electricity, right?
Right.
As soon as you plug in, your phone is charging.
Okay. Okay.
But that power is, the potential power is always there.
Right.
But if the potential power is not there, you got to go to your basement, look for a breaker. What's causing it to not, from there to here, it's not going.
It's a problem.
Yeah.
In the middle, yeah.
Yeah. So that's what we're having here.
Okay.
You're losing your prime.